Hello everybody, welcome to a special unboxing episode of Art Whisper 88. I have ordered some acrylic paint from two of my favorite vendors. One is Michael's and the other one is Jerry's Artarama. And so I will proceed to open these and see what is inside. I'm going to start with the box from Michael's. Okay, I just have iridescent graphite by Liquitex. This is Liquitex Basics. Another Liquitex Basics, which is unbleached titanium. And a red oxide, also 4 fluid ounces. So I just have 3 tubes here of colors that I use frequently, either as backgrounds or layers of color. Okay, so far that is the shipment from Michael's. So now I will proceed to the Jerry's Artarama. Sorry if that noise is too loud. Okay. Oh, I think this is a complimentary sample size of Soho Urban Artist Acrylic, because I don't recall ordering this. I guess this is a sample size. So the company wants me to try these. Okay, I'll open that later. And here's some more of my favorite bubble wrap. Here is Amsterdam copper. More graphite, also Amsterdam. This is pewter, which I think is a very beautiful color. It's like this silvery grayish color. And deep gold. Okay, let's see what this is. It's like a pack of cards. very cute. This is permanent red, almost like a lipstick. It says here, world-class acrylic, finest pigments, fast drying, superior binder, non-toxic. This is permanent red. This is phthalo blue. I think it's a very clever concept, marketing concept for them to give out these free samples. And this is yellow ochre golden, also in a 0.71 ounce tube. And let's see what else is in here. It says here, Street Smart Heavy Body Acrylic Colors. Okay, here's a complete set. And here is a color chart. Very clever. So I will check that out and test them. So this is a nice little surprise in my unboxing. There we go. So just put this away. I always recycle my cardboard. So here is my acrylic paint haul. And as you can see, they're mostly earth colors because I use these a lot. Here is a shot. There we go. I hope you like this little unboxing. It's a little a break from all the printmaking videos, and just to show you what kind of supplies I use. And thanks to all my viewers who have suggested these brands, especially Amsterdam, which now I've become very fond of. It's a very good quality paint, and it's not terribly expensive. It's very affordable. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.